Because sometimes you tighten and you get a break that things too.
No. Oh, right. Come on. Stupid gauge.
Yeah, at least you know
it's
what
on there
you're
still by
doing.
some cables. Hold on. Oh.
You still got all those masks? Jesus.
Welcome.
You're ready for the next COVID.
Yeah. Oh. I didn't know I had those. Oh, no, I think those are yours. Well, we were using my truck and you broke it.
Even the wrenches go in there? Holy mackerel.
See?
Pretty good trip.
That's so good, one.
This is this. That's just the cap.
Okay, for those who don't know about the screwdriver and the...
Why are you stubborn? Oh, right there.
You think that ignition thing just went out because of being an old truck?
Yeah. They keep telling you Mexicans don't take care of their stuff until it's too late.
A lot easier that way, huh?
Yeah. That's the whole reason that's there.
And I'm over here getting blisters.
One. There. And there. Now, what's hooked up back here? Oh, yeah.
Cable.
Yeah, there's a cable back there. Oh boy.
Especially this big guy like this is hard to
I'm gonna have
move.
to remove the whole front center console. Todo.
You could also put 0 miles.
Yeah, no.
What, they cannot do that?
Nah.
No?
It's illegal.
Yeah, because if they do that...
But miles really don't matter. As long as you got good compression on the engine, you know, you got a good engine. The mileage has nothing to do with it. You know, I've seen cars with very low mileage. And
What's with the spindle in the back?
It's
got like this thing that hooks up in the back, the metal.
Let me see it.
You're not gonna be able to look in there. Try to look. See, it's like this black wire that runs straight through.
Oh yeah, that's the speedometer.
Question:
The one
does that also work as an RPM gauge? If I wanted to connect to it?
No,
No.
you have to set that separately.
How would I set up an RPM gauge?
Well, not on there, that's for sure. You got to find somewhere else because there's no space on there.
No, I'm thinking about putting it here.
Yeah, that'll work.
Yeah, that's what some trucks, modified trucks have it. Yeah, this is.
Oh, okay. Maybe he's gonna run tomorrow.
Huh?
Maybe he's gonna run now tomorrow.
Well, it's ready. If we could just connect it here, but on Sunday he's getting this whole part new.
Tomorrow.
Oh yeah, that's no. Is
Tomorrow,
it?
yep.
Oh, that's right, tomorrow. Yeah, so
Also,
take it to the smog on Monday.
you're doing everything, huh?
Yeah, take it to the smog on Monday, and it's ready to go.
Okay. That's good. Okay.
Okay, it popped out further. Just kind of.
Hey, if you need some of this, it's good over there.
It's okay. I'll get another one
Can you bring me a flat, Dad?
and just add it on the bill.
Can you get me that one? Flat?